I think it's still too high. I mean, my estimate was about $18 to $19, and that's giving them the benefit of every doubt. I mean, I think the problem here is you have fundamentally a good business model. I just don't think it can scale up enough to justify the market cap. And one thing I want to add, that we've got to get the math right here. At $26 or $27, the market cap is not $7.5 billion. It's closer to $9.5 billion because they have about 66 million deep in the money options that are waiting to become shares.
And so those ought to be reflected in the overall value. As you look across the waterfront of IPOs that have come out so far this year, many of which have not performed all that well, what has the market gotten wrong about them that they all seem to have in common?
I think it's what the VCs got wrong with them first that essentially is translated into the market. I mean, VCs have been overestimating the value of scaling up and underestimating the importance of a business model. And you're seeing this with all these companies. I mean, with Uber, with WeWork, and now with Peloton. The business models are clearly not formed, but they're scaling up. So I think the market's getting more skeptical of models that just scale up, but there seems to be no pathway to profitability that's at least laid out right now.
So it's that critical point that worries you the most. You're less worried about the idea that these companies aren't making money right now or they're cash flow negative, take Uber, whatever, but you are worried that they cannot point to a business model that shows how they will become profitable.
Exactly. And I think that's a problem that goes to the core of their existence. I mean, they've been rewarded all their lives for scaling up. And nobody seems to have asked them fundamental questions like, how do you plan to make money off this business model?
Well, that's fundamental.
Yeah, it's fundamental. But I think, in fact, to give Peloton credit, their business model is a little more formed than WeWork's or Uber's was. So I give them, it's faint praise.